Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel Creative Queen X. My name is Gia and welcome back. So first of all, I want to talk to you about something. I know I haven't posted a video for like 2 weeks. That's because I was actually taking antibiotics and I was so unwell. For those who are following me on Instagram, you know that I was unwell for like 2-3 weeks and that was so annoying me. Seriously, I am glad I'm back to normal now and I'm healthy, thank God. And I'm ready to film for you guys. So first of all, let me tell you something. I am so annoyed with YouTube because YouTube recently announced a new policy where you guys cannot leave me not your lovely comments, and that is so frustrating me because through the comment section I was communicating with my subscribers, with you guys, and now I feel like if YouTube has disabled the comment section, how am I gonna communicate with you guys? So I have emailed YouTube to enable those comment section, and I really hope that YouTube does enable my comment section. It has actually done this, implemented this policy for millions of other YouTubers, not just me, and but I'm just so annoyed with it. So anyways, starting today's video, I just want to talk to you about like 10 hacks how you can decorate your house on a budget and make it turn it into a home. So let's get started without further ado. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. So the first hack, guys, is a stick-on wall clock. These are so amazing and super cheap. You can get them from eBay, from Amazon. I got mine from eBay and it cost me around like £5-6, something like that. But it's really great, but because all you need to do is just stick on that clock to the wall like normal stickers, and that's it. You don't need any nails or nothing like that. So yeah, it's really cost effective and it looks beautiful. It just looks very modern, yeah, and it's different from all the regular clocks you see in the market. So this is the wall clock I have at my house. I absolutely love it. It just looks very simple, very unique, and it was so easy to install. All I did is just peel off the backing and just stuck it to the wall. So hack number 2 is these remote controlled candles. These are really amazing and they're also safe to use. They look like this, look. They come with a remote where you can change the colors of these candles according to your mood. These are really amazing. I have another, they came like in a pack of 3 and it cost me around like £10, which is not bad. And the good thing about these is you can actually use them even if you have kids around the house or pets around the house. It's very safe to use basically, yeah. And these are amazing. They look so beautiful when during nighttime or during the evening. They just glow beautifully. As you guys can see, these candles look absolutely beautiful during the dark, and they come in a really nice pack. You can sometimes get a set of 3 or set of 4, and it comes with a remote control. So guys, hack number 3 is LED strip lights. They look so beautiful. You can change the colors as well according to your mood. You get a remote control with it, and also you can put it around your bed, around like any table you have or around any furniture, and they look absolutely beautiful. You can get them around like between £5 to £10 or £5 to £15 on eBay or Amazon or any other websites, but they are beautiful and look amazing. You can also use them in your kitchen to lighten up all your cabinets, and it's just so beautiful, and it's not expensive at all. All you need to do is put it in an adapter, and that's really much it. All the instructions come with it, and I will be linking it in the description box as well, so go check it out. As you guys can see, these LED strip lights come with a remote control, and you can change the color of the light according to your mood, whatever mood you have, and they just transform your bed completely or any room in your house. So hack number 4 is wall stickers. They look absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You can get so many, like thousands of designs. There are online on eBay, Amazon, go check them out. And there are so many other websites that do wall stickers. Just go to Google Images and or Google Shopping, and you can just check all the images on there. This is actually a great way to decorate any empty wall, that empty space, empty corner in your house that has been looking really dead over the years. Go decorate it and turn your house into a home. You will love the results. Trust me, I've done it as well in my house, and I love how cheap it is, and it's just so easy. And you can remove those as well and reuse them if you decide to put them on any other wall. So yeah, definitely go for wall stickers. Beautiful. So this is the wall sticker I have in my house. It just looks so beautiful. I think it cost me just about £3 or something. I bought it from B&M. They have all other kind of stickers, and you can also check online for other kind of designs. They completely transform your house. So this hack is so beautiful. You're gonna love it so much. It's actually lighted branches, as you can see over here. Ta-da! These are tied together with the help of cable ties. There you go, you can check it out. And these look absolutely beautiful during the evening. It just brings so much light into your home. You can use them in your living room to make your living room much more cozier, or anywhere else where you want. And I actually got these few years ago, 2-3 years ago I think. And I bought them actually from Aldi or Lidl. I can't remember exactly, but yeah, you can get these around Christmas time in stores, or you can also check online, which is available throughout 12 months. I really love how simple idea it is, and it's just so beautiful. You can also add little flowers in the middle of it to make it a little more like colorful, and you can put these branches into a very long clear vase. That's gonna be perfect for this actually. Yeah. Here is a photo of how these branches look during nighttime. They just look so romantic, so gorgeous. And I think it's a beautiful gift for anyone, or if you just wanna lift up the spirits in your house. It just looks gorgeous. The next hack, guys, is if you use colorful bulbs, you can also change the color with a remote control. I'll put it in the description box for you guys. And the best thing about these is that they can add some more feature into your room and make your home a little bit more colorful, and enhancing more positive energy into your house if you have some vibrant colors in your home. And it just looks so much cozy and modern. So yeah, but I would suggest you not to turn these on like all the time. Just turn these colorful lights on like once in a while when you feel like, but not like all throughout the whole day, because otherwise it's not going to be as cost effective. So yeah, this is a beautiful feature.
Here we go. Just check out these colorful bulbs. They add a very beautiful feature into any of your rooms in the house. It just projects a really gorgeous light, and it just lightens up the spirits in the house and provides positive energy into the house. It just looks gorgeous.
So hack number 7 is if you add in some fur cushions or fur throws in your house, they are gonna enhance more coziness in your home. I've got this cushion here, as you guys can see. This is actually the cushion which is always in my bedroom. What I actually did is I actually bought just the cushion cover on its own from just a local shop. It wasn't very expensive. It was, I think, £3.99, which is £4. I had the cushion filling already, so I didn't need to buy that. But let me tell you something, guys. Fur adds a lot of elegance and luxury into your house. It looks so beautiful. But one thing I want to tell you, do not overdo it, because then it's just gonna look it's really exaggerated. So have a little bit of fur into your home, but just don't exaggerate. So yeah, just don't go overboard. So yeah, and this is so cozy. Seriously, I feel like I feel like nap time now. Okay, I'm joking. Let's go get to the next hack. So the next hack, guys, is really cool, and it's something really trendy, which is this marble sticky roll. As you guys can see, you can actually stick this on any furniture, and that furniture is instantly gonna look like as if it is made out of marble. This is a super simple, super effective way to turn your furniture into much more expensive looking furniture. So yeah, a great tip for you guys. You guys, there you go. Have a close-up look. So the next hack, guys, is really awesome. So basically it is, if you have mirrored what do you call these, mirrored frames in the house, it just makes your house looks much more classy and expensive. I still need to put like lots of pictures in all of these. I've just put one picture in there because it's a new frame. I still need to sort it, but yeah, this is the idea, that if you buy mirrored frames, it just makes your house so much more trendy and modern. I bought this frame from B&M. It wasn't expensive. Can't remember the exact price, but I think it was about £6 or £8. I can't remember, but yeah, which is still alright for the price. So yeah, this is the tip. My tip number 10 is, if you think your bedroom looks really boring, then go for some beautiful floral colors in there, and then automatically, if you have some vibrant nice colors in your bedroom as a beautiful nice duvet cover, it's automatically gonna transform the whole look of your bedroom, and you're gonna have a good night's sleep if you feel much more cozy on that bed. So yeah, that's the tip.
So this is, guys, how my bedding looks like. I am absolutely in love with this bedding. It's just so colorful, very cheerful, and it really uplifts my mood. It just makes me so happy, all these colors, and I would definitely suggest you to add some color into your rooms as well.
So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and it's been helpful. If you found it helpful, make sure to share it with with someone you care about. And also, if you want to see many more videos like this in future, let me know in the comments down below. I'm not sure if you guys can comment anymore because YouTube has changed its policies, but do try to comment if you can. And also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you get all the notifications whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and love you all. Mwah.